Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I've got a very exciting unboxing for you. Now this is actually something that I've had in my collection for a while now, and I actually put it away into storage ready to make a video with, and I never got round to making the video. Now this video is inspired by Tech, the coin hunter from Stackers Social. He actually reached out to me today and said to me, when is your next silver video going to be? And I thought, you know what, I'm going to film a video tonight. So I went into my safe and I had a look around to find something cool, and I think I know what's inside here. I hope I've got it right, but if I've got it right, there are some really cool pieces in here, some pieces that I've not yet showcased on my channel. So you're in for a real treat, and let's get straight into the video. Now this is actually kind of a part two. I just finished doing a mail call video, and I've just finished packing away the bits to one side there. So I will leave the link to that video in today's video description if you haven't seen it already. But let's get straight into the video. I'm actually working tomorrow, so I'm not drinking whiskey. I've got some nice orange juice tonight. I'm going to be going to bed not long after filming this because my alarm goes off at 3 AM for me to get up, and I start work at 4. So I'm going to be filming this video, and I'm going to try and edit it tonight when I get into bed, but it might not go up till tomorrow. But let's get straight into it, and I'll show you what we have inside this box. Now, like I said, I'm pretty sure I know what this is, but I did purchase these quite a long time ago, so I could be wrong. But I'm pretty sure I recognise the box, and I'll soon be able to tell if I've got it right or not once we start moving some layers. Ooh, moving a few layers. Yes, these are very, very cool. Okay, like I said, I actually bought these quite a while ago now, but I haven't showcased them on the channel yet. I put them away into storage, and I was planning to do a video, and I just never got around to doing the video, and I actually forgot about them. So yeah, these are really cool. Right, what I'm going to do, I'm going to move the whole box out the way. We're going to zoom right in, and we're going to start looking at them one by one. Now these are actually all the way from the US, and it's from a silver pourer who goes by the name of Bullion. Most of you watching this video would have heard of Bullion. He makes some absolutely incredible pieces, and these are some of the limited edition bars that he brought out quite a while ago now. And after he showcased them, I believe it was the first time I saw these bars was on one of the Stack Collectors Stack Chats, when he got Bullion on there and he was showing him some of the pieces that he had poured in the past. And I actually reached out to him after that Stack Chat, so that was quite a few months back now. And he said that these pieces are actually sold out. They're only available now on the second-hand market. There were pieces that he poured quite a while ago, but he said he probably had a copy of each of them in his personal stack, and he would be willing to sell them to me. So really, really kind of him to do that. And I actually picked up 1, 2, 3 different bars from him, different designs. I think they're different designs, yep, different designs. And like I said, a massive thank you to Bullion for actually selling me a bar that you had in your personal stack, a bar that is actually already sold out and usually only available on the second-hand market now. I'll put it there and I'll show you the COA first, but these are absolutely incredible. COA, name the casino, weight is 2 troy ounces, purity is 39 fine silver. It's got an antique finish, and you can see a very low mintage of just 100. You've got Bullion's logo down there, and it says 67, so that might mean this is number 67 out of 100. I'm not sure on that, but that might mean it's number 67. But a really, really nice looking COA. But let's have a look at the star of the show, and this is absolutely incredible. Look at that. What a truly stunning bar. Now, I haven't actually taken it out of this plastic wrap before, but it would be nice to show it in all its glory. Look at that. Limited edition Pit Bullion Mintage 100, 2 troy ounces, 3 nines fine silver. And this side alone just looks absolutely incredible. But when we flip it around and you see the design on here, that is a truly stunning bar. Now, I'm going to try and take it out of the capsule. There we go. Look, that's good. It's got one of those easy to release bits there. But look at this piece. That is an absolutely incredible looking bar. Truly stunning. Really nice finish around the edges. And like I said, this side alone just looks absolutely stunning. What an absolutely incredible piece. Really thick. Like I said, it's 2 ounces, so it feels fantastic in the hand. And that just looks absolutely amazing. Really, really like this bar. Absolutely incredible. What a stunning piece of silver. Now, I'm not going to pop it back in the capsule and everything just yet, because we've actually got a couple more pieces from this collection to showcase. Now, this one here, you can see personalised Pit Bullion along the bottom there. And you can already tell that this is going to be a stunning bar just from the COA. I mean, look at that COA. Absolutely incredible. Love the artwork on it. And again, limited to 100. This one's called the Strip Club. 2 troy ounces. And yeah, that must be the mintage figure. So that says 85 on there. So that's 85 out of 100. Really, really nice COA. And again, we've got the same back on the bars, so they're all uniformed in that respect. Limited edition Pit Bullion Mintage 100, 2 troy ounces, 3 nines fine. But let's have a look at this piece. And this is probably my favourite design out of the 3 bars that I've picked up. There we go, we're in. And look at that. It looks like a scene out of GTA, doesn't it? Absolutely incredible design. Look at that. It's such a high relief as well, considering how much detail is on this bar. It just looks absolutely incredible. Now, again, it's a nice easy release capsule, so I'll be able to take it out for you. And again, I wouldn't really recommend doing this if you've got these pieces in your collection, because you don't want to risk dropping them. But I like to showcase things outside the plastic as much as possible on this channel. But look at that. What a truly stunning bar. And again, 2 ounces, really nice chunky bit of silver. Absolutely incredible. The level of detail that is in this bar is so good. So there we go. I think that's my favourite out of the 3. But we'll move that to one side and I'll show you the 3rd and final piece that I picked up, which is this piece here. And this is the very original piece. This is the piece that he showcased on that particular stack chat. And those of you that saw that stack chat will remember. It is literally like a scene out of GTA. They're all like scenes out of GTA, aren't they, really, these bars? I think that's what appeals to me. It reminds me of playing Grand Theft Auto back in the day. Really, really incredible pieces of art. And this is the final piece. We've also, in the box, got a couple of stickers as well. If it ain't Pit, it ain't pitbullionsilver.com. And again, this is his contact details. Pit Bullion, 3 nines fine silver. So, absolutely incredible craftsmanship. I've spoken to Pit Bullion a couple of times on Stacker Social. He's actually a member of Stacker Social, so I've actually spoken to him a couple of times in Stacker Social as well. And his artwork is just incredible. Even on the COAs, it's amazing. And you can see again, Only 100 of these produced. This is a really low mintage at number 10 on this one. Name is Gun Shop. And again, I know I said that this one was my favourite one, but this one is just as beautiful as that one, really. So it's a real hard choice. You'll have to let me know in the comment section which is your favourite out of these three. But look at that. Absolutely incredible. And again, you've got Bullion's logo just down there as well. And we're going to have to get this one out of the capsule as well, just to show you all its glory. Same uniform back, limited edition, Pit Bullion Mintage 100. Nice chunky 2-ounce bar again. And look at that. This is detail that you just never see on silver bars. Really, really nice relief on this bar. The detail is absolutely incredible. Look at that. Absolutely stunning. Really, really nice work of art, this. So yeah, let me know in the comments section what is your favourite out of these three. It's a very, very tough choice because they all are absolutely stunning pieces of silver. I mean, that's got to be the thumbnail, hasn't it? Look at that. Absolutely incredible. Really, really nice. And like I said, I think this one is probably my favourite. But it's a really tough decision because they all look absolutely incredible. They're all completely different scenes. And like I said, it really reminds me of playing Grand Theft Auto. Absolutely stunning. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. Everyone say thank you to Tech, the coin hunter, in today's comment section, because if it wasn't for him, I wouldn't have filmed tonight's video. Like I said, he inspired me to film a video tonight when I wasn't going to film. So thank you very much, my friend, for helping me find these in my safe. And yeah, absolutely stunning. So yeah, let me know what you think. Let me know what your favourite bar is as well in the comment section. Really, really nice work of art. And again, thank you, Pit Bullion, if you ever watch this video. I know you're a busy man, so you don't often knock around the comment sections of videos. But if you watch this video, I really appreciate you letting me purchase these pieces from your personal stack. As always, thanks very much for everyone that's watched today's video. I really, really appreciate it. And I hope you all have a very nice day.